Introducing the RYOBI ONE HP Brushless 15-gauge angled finish nailer. Ditch compressors and hoses for the cordless convenience of AirStrike Technology. The powerful brushless motor delivers instant driving speed with no delay, and the AccuDrive nose offers superior visibility and drive quality while protecting your work surface. Its compact design and angled magazine allow for easy access in corners and tight spaces. Use the selectable drive switch to engage contact actuation mode for rapid nail placement and experience all-day runtime with up to 1,500 nails per charge. The RYOBI ONE HP Brushless 15-gauge angled finish nailer. Part of the RYOBI ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.